Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. The numbers 3, 6, and 9 have held profound significance in various esoteric and spiritual traditions throughout history. Let's delve a bit deeper into their symbolic meanings. Number 3, often associated with the concept of the Trinity, representing unity and diversity. In Christianity, it embodies the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Many cultures and belief systems also view 3 as a symbol of balance and harmony. The number 3 holds a rich tapestry of symbolism in various spiritual and metaphysical traditions. Beyond its association with the Trinity, which embodies a divine unity in Christianity, it extends its symbolic reach into the fundamental aspects of existence. In the realm of the human experience, 3 is often seen as representative of the triad: body, mind, and soul. This trinity encapsulates the holistic nature of our being, acknowledging the interconnectedness of the physical, mental, and spiritual aspects of our existence. It suggests that true harmony comes from the balanced integration of these dimensions. Furthermore, the symbolism of 3 extends to the cyclic nature of life's journey, encapsulating the concepts of the beginning, the middle, and the end. It mirrors the cyclical patterns found in nature, from the phases of the moon to the seasons, emphasizing the perpetual flow of life and its ever-changing states. In the cosmic dance of existence, the number 3 becomes a symbol of birth, life, and death. It encapsulates the continuous cycle of creation, existence, and transformation, emphasizing the inevitability and natural rhythm of these phases in the grand tapestry of life. In numerology, the number 3 takes on a more personal dimension, associated with creativity, communication, and self-expression. Individuals whose personal number is 3 are often considered charismatic and extroverted. They possess a natural ability to articulate their thoughts and ideas, making them effective communicators. This vibrational energy of 3 fosters creativity, encouraging these individuals to express themselves through various artistic and communicative outlets. In essence, the number 3 serves as a symbolic bridge between the divine and the human experience, weaving together themes of unity, balance, and the perpetual cycles that define our journey through life. Whether contemplating the cosmic order or the intricacies of individual expression, the number 3 invites us to explore the profound interconnections within and around us. Number 6, symbolizing balance and harmony. 6 is often associated with the cosmic order. Some see it as a representation of the macrocosm and the microcosm, reflecting the interconnectedness of all things. The number 6 holds profound significance in various spiritual and esoteric traditions. Often associated with the divine feminine, it symbolizes the archetype of the mother goddess, embodying qualities of creation, love, and harmony. In the cosmic dance of energies, the number 6 is seen as a reflection of the nurturing and life-giving aspects attributed to the feminine forces in the universe. Numerologically, the number 6 is linked to themes of peace, harmony, and balance. Those whose personal number is 6 are believed to possess innate qualities of compassion and care. They are often seen as natural mediators and peacemakers, drawn to fostering equilibrium and unity in their surroundings. In the tapestry of spiritual symbolism, the essence of the number 6 extends beyond its numerical representation. It becomes a sacred symbol, resonating with the qualities of empathy, cooperation, and a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. This interconnectedness is reflected not only in the cosmic order, but also in the way individuals with a strong connection to the number 6 navigate their relationships and communities. As a representation of the divine feminine, the number 6 encourages a harmonious coexistence with the cycles of creation and the nurturing forces inherent in the universe. It invites individuals to embody the qualities of love, compassion, and balance, contributing to the greater tapestry of existence with a deep sense of interconnected responsibility and care. Number 9. Considered a highly spiritual number, 9 is often linked to the completion of cycles and spiritual enlightenment. It is seen as a symbol of consciousness, unity, and the integration of polarities. The number 9 holds a unique and special position in the natural number sequence, representing the culmination and completion of the numerical journey. Often regarded as the number that transcends the material realm, 9 is associated with cosmic themes, consciousness, and the pursuit of transcendence. In the realm of numerology, where numbers are believed to carry symbolic meanings and energetic vibrations, 9 is considered a number of profound significance. It is not merely a numerical placeholder. It is a symbol that resonates with wisdom, compassion, and universal love. Individuals whose personal number is 9 are often seen as profound and spiritual beings. The symbolism of 9 aligns with their innate quest for deeper understanding and connection to the cosmic forces. These individuals tend to possess a heightened sense of idealism and a continuous striving for elevated states of awareness. Wisdom, a core attribute of the number 9, reflects not just intellectual knowledge, but a deep, intuitive understanding of the complexities of life. This wisdom is often accompanied by compassion, as those influenced by the energy of 9 are drawn towards the well-being and upliftment of others. Universal love, another facet of the number 9, transcends individual boundaries and extends to a broader collective consciousness. Those embodying the qualities of 9 are driven by a sense of responsibility toward the greater good and seek to contribute to the betterment of humanity. In essence, the symbolism of the number 9 invites us to explore the realms of higher consciousness, altruism, and the interconnected nature of all things. It serves as a reminder that, in the pursuit of wisdom and spiritual growth, we are not only evolving individually, but also contributing to the collective elevation of human consciousness. These numbers also align with the teachings attributed to Nikola Tesla, who expressed a deep fascination with 3, 6, and 9. While his exact intentions and beliefs remain a subject of interpretation and speculation, he famously stated, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." In the realm of esoteric wisdom, some theorists propose that understanding the significance of these numbers can unveil the fundamental truths of the universe. Whether through sacred geometry, numerology, or spiritual teachings, the recurring presence of 3, 6, and 9 invites contemplation on the interconnected nature of existence. Ultimately, these numbers serve as symbolic tools to explore deeper aspects of consciousness, spiritual growth, and the profound mysteries of the cosmos. They offer a lens through which individuals can perceive and contemplate the intricate tapestry of existence. In the realm of astrology, the significance of numbers extends beyond mere numerical values, as certain numbers are associated with specific zodiac signs, elements, and qualities. The triad of 3, 6, and 9 holds particular importance in this context. The number 3 aligns with the air signs in the zodiac: Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. These signs are characterized by qualities such as intellect, communicativeness, and adaptability. The number 3 resonates with the dynamic and expressive nature inherent in the air element. Moving to the number 6, it is linked with the earth signs: Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Grounded, practical, and reliable, the earth signs embody the stability and nurturing qualities associated with the number 6. This number harmonizes with the earth element's focus on tangible results and material manifestations. Lastly, the number 9 is affiliated with the fire signs: Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Dynamic, passionate, and action-oriented, these signs embody the transformative energy inherent in the number 9. This number aligns with the fiery nature of the fire element, representing initiation, creativity, and the spark of inspiration. In astrology, numbers serve as symbolic keys that unlock deeper insights into the archetypal qualities of the zodiac signs. The triad of 3, 6, and 9 not only adds a numerical layer to astrological interpretations, but also reflects the diverse and interconnected nature of the elemental forces that shape the astrological landscape. The numbers 3, 6, and 9 also have significance in other cultures and traditions. In Mayan culture, for example, the number 3 represents the 3 worlds: the underworld, the earthly world, and the upper world. In Chinese culture, the number 6 represents luck and prosperity. In Japanese culture, the number 9 represents longevity and immortality. The numbers 3, 6, and 9 are powerful numbers with many spiritual meanings. They can inspire and stimulate our reflection. Here are some thoughts you might have when considering these numbers. The number 3 symbolizes wholeness, which consists of 3 parts. What are the 3 parts of your life that are most important to you? The number 6 symbolizes love, harmony, and creation. What are some things you want to create in your life? The number 9 symbolizes transcendence, completion, and wisdom. What are some things you want to learn in your life? The numbers 3, 6, and 9 are a window into the world of the spiritual. By engaging with them, you can gain new insights and understandings. Nikola Tesla believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 were the 3 most important numbers in the universe. He believed that these numbers had a universal significance and could be found in all aspects of life. Tesla believed that the number 9 was the number of completion. It symbolizes the union of body, mind, and soul with the universe. Tesla also believed that the number 9 was connected to transcendence, the process of overcoming the limitations of the physical body. Tesla believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 played a key role in the universe. He believed that these numbers were the foundation of the natural laws and the structure of the universe. Tesla's theory about the numbers 3, 6, and 9 is controversial. Some scientists believe that Tesla's theory is based on speculation and personal beliefs. Other scientists believe that Tesla's theory is based on a deep understanding of the laws of nature and the universe. Regardless of whether or not you believe in Tesla's theory, it is a fascinating example of the human fascination with numbers and their significance. As you already know from the previous video, the 369 method is a manifestation method. A different 369 method is in which you write down your goals 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times in the evening. The method is often associated with the law of attraction, which states that you can manifest what you think and feel. Some common questions about the Nikola Tesla Divine Code 369 method I usually get are the following. Does the 369 method really work? The answer to this question is not definitive. There is no scientific evidence to support the claim that the 369 method works. However, there are many people who say that they have had success with the method. How long does it take for the 369 method to work? This can vary. Some people report seeing results in just a few days or weeks. Others may need to wait longer. What should you write in your manifestation statement? In your manifestation statement, you should describe your goals as clearly and specifically as possible. You should also use positive and powerful words. How often should you use the 369 method? The 369 method should be applied daily for best results, and until you reach your goals. Can the 369 method be used for anything besides goals? Yes, the 369 method can be used for other things as well, such as releasing negative thoughts or emotions, or increasing your self-esteem. Can the 369 method be combined with other manifestation methods? Yes, the 369 method can be combined with other manifestation methods, such as visualization or affirmations. Feel free to check out the previous video, link in the description below. Dear friend, I extend to you an invitation to embark on a transformative journey with Nikola Tesla's Divine Code 369 method. In the realm of the law of attraction, where our thoughts shape our reality, the 369 method emerges as a beacon of potential and manifestation. Consider this not merely as a practice, but as an embrace of the extraordinary. Imagine unlocking the secrets of the universe, aligning your intentions with the cosmic dance of 3, 6, and 9. This is an invitation to infuse your dreams with the magnetic energy that resonates with the wisdom of Nikola Tesla. Your dreams are not just aspirations. They are beacons guiding you toward a reality where your desires are not only possible but inevitable. It's a call to invest a little time and effort, to write your story with the mystical ink of 3, 6, and 9. As you venture into this method, let hope be your compass and kindness your companion. Every affirmation you utter, every visualization you embrace, and every repetition becomes a step closer to the manifestation of your dreams. In this journey, Remember that your dreams are seeds planted in the garden of your soul, waiting to sprout and bloom. Do not underestimate the power within you. No dream is too grand, and no effort is in vain. So, my friend, take a leap of faith into the world of 3, 6, and 9. Let this be a chapter in your story where you not only believe in your dreams, but witness them unfold. In the tapestry of the universe, your unique thread weaves into a masterpiece, and the 369 method is your brushstroke of intention. Remember, nobody should give up on their dreams. Your journey is one of love, hope, and boundless possibilities. Embrace it with open arms, and let the energy of 3, 6, and 9 guide you toward the manifestation of your heart's deepest desires. With warmth and encouragement, be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.